We're here in North Charleston at the South Carolina Manufacturing Conference and Expo and excited to be hosting the B2B Matchmaking event as part of the conference. The B2B gives South Carolina companies an opportunity to make a connection with OEM Tier 1 and large manufacturers in the state, and a chance to network with other suppliers. These companies find value in our B2B events because it is an opportunity for them to visit with or talk to large array of suppliers that are available to them in the state.
My name is Alex Adjumon. I'm the Small Business Liaison Officer at Savannah River Nuclear Solutions.
Please share with us what you do and why are you here?
So primarily what I do is I find great small businesses. The Savannah River site has a very important mission. And one of the things we're committed to is finding the right partners. And so I'm here today really looking for the right partners.
Please share with us what type of businesses you're interested in. Just what is your prospect target market?
Sure, so we do a little bit of everything. So you would think with the name nuclear that we're looking for stuff that you have to have classified information to do. Not necessarily. So we're like a small city. We do everything from paving and striping of roads to IT to professional services. I mean, basically everything. Our website, SavannahRiverNuclearSolutions.com, has an acquisition forecast where you can go and find the things that we're currently soliciting.
Hello, I'm Harold Reeves. I'm the Director of Business Development at Colite International and Colite Technologies in Columbia, South Carolina. We took part in the B2B meet and greet type event, and we found it to be very successful. We were able to connect with a couple of manufacturers and a couple of companies that we probably would not have been able to meet with and get a face with a name. And instead of doing a cold call or a cold email, we now have a name and an email, and so they know who we are. So when we connect with them again, then it's already a connection already built there. So the B2B is really beneficial, and we've capitalized on that, and we look forward to continuing to utilize that tool. We look forward to taking advantage of this opportunity again next year, and not only to be a part of the vendor, but to capitalize on the relationships that we have here at the South Carolina Department of Commerce.
You can learn more about Source SC and the Department of Commerce at scommerce.com.